candlestick pattern. Yes, we are gonna continue the Bible of Complete Stock Market written by PNG Investor and Trader. So, what are we waiting for? For a very, very, very long time of holiday? Let's learn together and sit besides each other. So, yes, let us start our day with a candlestick pattern topic. So, first, let me fix my capturing device. Just give me 1 second. Okay, I hope you can see my screen as I'm seeing that you can. So let me take an Abbott pen. Abbott pen. Okay. Let me take the thickness. It's good. Let us take us a color. Let's have blue today. Wait, is the yes, now it is straight. I'm sorry, everybody. Excuse me for 1 second. Okay. Candlestick pattern. We have heard somewhere with someone's voice. Yes, some words are just game and we just ignore them by side. But you have to recap. You have to close your eyes to revise back. So revise little back. Close your eyes. What was that time? When was it? Which age was you and when you heard this word? So yes, this is a candlestick pattern. So what did we learn in the previous? Line chart, bar chart and candlestick. I can show you if you want, but not here. This you have to press the description link below in the previous class what we are gonna do. So yes, you can do it if you want. Yes, if you have not seen my previous videos, so go and watch them because that the previous one is more important. If you will not learn the previous ones which I have told you, if you were in my previous class, so it's bravo. You can learn this topic because whatever you have done in previous classes, it is important to learn. So let's start. In candlestick patterns, there are four types. Okay, which? Let us see. Single candlestick, double candlestick, triple candlestick, multiple candlestick. So these are the forms. These are the forms, not the children's. Think. Just for an imagination, you can think that candlestick pattern is grandparent, okay? And this single candlestick, and he has 4 children. Who? Single candlestick, double candlestick, triple candlestick, and multiple candlestick. So he has 4 children, and the 4 of them have their own children. Let us see who. Remember, single, double, triple, and not the fourth, multiple. So let us visit their children. If you may want to. 1 second. Let me put all this stuff in the dustbin. Guys, drink water. It is very important to drink water nowadays. So, single candlestick patterns. 1. Single candlestick patterns have 4 children. Remember, candlestick is the grandparent. And all the types, single, double, triple, multiple, are his children. Means our father. If we are the children, so he is a father. And this, their children, are children. 1. Hammer of this. Whose child? Single candlestick patterns. Hammer number 1, the oldest one. Hammer 2, inverted hammer. 3, hanging man. 4, shooting star. Now let's see the double candlesticks, children. Double candlestick patterns. Engulfing, it could be bullish or it could be bearish. Piercing pattern, which you will see in some of the days. Dark cloud cover, Harami pattern, bullish and bearish. Harami cross, it could be bullish and bearish. 2 is the bottom, only bullish, not bearish. No, no, no. 7. 2 is the top and it should be always bearish. No bullish. Now let us peek into the triple candlestick. Let us peek and see what triple candlestick pattern children's are. Triple candlestick pattern. 1. Morning star. It should be only bullish. 2. Evening star. It should be always bearish. You know, this is like psychological. Say how? When it's a morning star, so yes, it would be bullish because it is rising. It is rising though. It would be the morning star only because the sun always rises. Evening star. Now it is dusk. It's dull. So the evening star would be the bearish because it always goes down. 3 white soldiers should be bullish. 3 black crows should be always bearish. Multiple candlestick pattern. Dumpling top. Now, this should be a hungry, peaky, pooky, scrumptious, yummy, delicious, observing dumpling top. Are we gonna eat dumplings? No, wait. It's a funny, silly thing. Now, multiple candlestick pattern, dumpling top, bearish reverse, fry pan bottom. Are we gonna make something with fry pan? No way. Fry pan bottom always uses in bullish reverse. Tower top. Ooh, that's close. Bearish reversal. Tower bottom, bullish reversal. Now let's discuss about single candlestick patterns, children, and about their life. Let's just see. Single candlestick patterns hammer. A hammer. Listen it carefully. No fun making, no nothing. Okay, now let us see, let us learn, and let us be in a serious mood. No laughing and all. A hammer. A hammer is a bullish reversal candlestick. Okay, it is a bullish reversal. Means it is the bearish way. The bearish is going down and gaining the bullish again. First, it is the bullish. Okay, and reversal. What reversal means? Then again the bullish, little bullish, and it takes one more, not the strong bearish or light bearish, means this much. And from here, the reversal starts again. Okay, it appears after a downtrend. It appears only after the downtrend. This pattern. Like this, it will only appear. I said because it's a reversal, not gaining, it's reversing. Means something is happening. Something, it would be bullish and then it would be little short downtrend, and then let's start again to proceed. Means the downtrend, it means that he is having rest. He is having rest to the downwards, and then he starts again his journey to the upwards. Like if a teacher is okay, and this is child. So if I say, imagine that I am a teacher or you are a teacher. If I'm saying that to you, you are children, and I am a teacher. I'm saying that you should do this much homework because you have not completed your work. You will do 10 pages an assignment because you have not done your homework. And first, when he was in the holidays, so he was happy. So he was going bullish. He was having more fun. And then the teacher gave him the pressure. The man holdable, he can't even hold in his hand the pressure, the stubborn and all. So he feels tired of working. So he slightly moved down. And after his work done, he says to Mama, Mama, make popcorns for me. I'm gonna watch TV. And his naughtiness comes again and he plays. So this is the trick. If you want a child learns to. Now, we will learn today only single candlestick because it will take little time. It signals that sellers try to push the price lower, but buyers regain control and push it back up, indicating a potential reversal. So what it means? Like the sellers, what the sellers do? They push it lower that their profit should be, not the buyers. They put the lower. Okay, they push it price lower, but the rest piece that I'm saying is that the seller is pushing lower and the buyers are regaining their control once again with a pushing back with a confidence and a stronginess to the ahead score. Okay, like this, like there is a child there. For example, for your method, let me say there is a child. There is a good boy and there is a bad boy. Okay, so what will happen? Let's see their results and how they become the confidence and all. So the bad boy, sorry for my point, the bad boy. Now the good boy. Let us see the good boy first because yes, you think what I'm doing. The good boy results are going up and up and up and up. But the bad boy's results are going down. But the bad boy wants that the good boy shall join him and play with him. So one day they started playing. But the So the bad boy said to him, let's eat in the glass. The good boy said, no, study first. So the good boy's result was like this. But the bad boy said, come on, let's eat in glass. Nothing happens. So he tries to eat. He feels yummy, yummy, yummy. But he thinks that this is not right. So he takes and sits to the another person and he takes his control back. And he goes there up. Okay. This wasn't just an example. Now, characteristics of a hammer. Okay, the characteristics of a hammer appears at the bottom of a downtrend, as we have seen. Okay, has a small real body. It is here. I will show you. Has a small real body. It could be green or it could be red. Has a long lower wing. What is a wing? Oh, what is a shadow? This we have seen in the basic. Whatever you are learning, it is like you are learning the basics, the most basics ever. Whatever you are learning, the tough ones are ahead. So have the confidence and bravery with you. I am with you. I am with you to stay, to look at front, not at the back. To look at the front with confidence that I can do it. So yes, has long lower wing. Okay, means like this. This is a wing, and this is the body. It could be slightly up, but if it is like this, no, this is not valid. If you would think that how this much, yes. If it is slightly, that is okay. That's not. And if there is nothing, that is also okay. And that is the real figure only. But if there is slightly of the wing, it's okay. It is also okay. But like this, no, it is not okay. Has a lower wing shadow. You can say shadow also at least twice the size of the real body. It's like this. So first this wing. So I will take here and one more here. So this much has little to no upper wing, means it could be slight. Its low act as a major support. It is lower, but it shows the support. And it always be in the support. Okay. It is it always be here. Okay. On the support side. Not only between, no, it's not valid, only in the support size. Bigger time frame candle has a bigger potential. Okay. So bigger time frame candle has the bigger potential. Confirmation. Now let's see the confirmation. There are only 2 points. A bullish candle after the hammer confirms the reversal. If there is a hammer and a bullish candle after the hammer, there is a hammer and after there is a bullish candle. So it confirms that there would be a reversal. Higher volume on the hammer or confirmation candle strengthens the set. The higher volume means the higher volume. This is the volume which is shown you like this. is that the volume on the hammer higher volume. There's a higher volume. If there is a higher volume, not that much, I mean this much. Like there's a line and there is this one. So the maximum this much. Okay. Higher volume on the hammer, the confirms the candle strikes and this. So it confirms that, and the second confirm is this one. Whatever I have told you. Now let's see. Now you can see here, and after then we will learn, means not today, tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow we will learn inverted hammer because it takes too much time, isn't it? And you all want to know that you have to play, so you can. But first wait after this. Little to no upper shadow. No shadow should be. No. But if this only this much. Okay, it's fine. Hi. Close. Open. Close. You will think this is a little complicated for the children. So, the bullish candle always opens from the low, okay, low, and close to the high. And the bearish always opens from here, so it would go the downside. So, yeah, long upper shadow. This is the this like a stick. This. Now bottom support, this is the support. It would, like, this is resistance and this is a support. R S. So R S. Now the hammer will always be here. Not here. No, or not in between. No, not well. So yes, thank you for watching more videos of Smart Stock Market. So I mean, you can play. If you want to play, you can go and have fun with your friends. I hope it was a nice, good day with you. And yes, don't forget to drink water. This is summer, not a winter. So yes, thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.